healthy white skin.
Born in Vietnam!
Yay! Oh, these are pomelos. Yes.
And I'm coming in from the States, from Florida.
This is one of my subscribers, now friend.
Yes.
And I'm taking her around. We did a Skype chat. How long ago was that?
Oh, about a month.
I was helping her to move here, and now she's here.
Now I'm here.
Yeah, I picked her up from the airport, and
in the middle of the night.
Yes, it was like midnight. Yeah, so it's a new day, and we're gonna go out around and have some fun around Hanoi
and get an apartment today.
She's getting her apartment today. So we're gonna go do all of that, and we're gonna take you with us. Yay! Okay, so we are at Lum Coffee. This is a great place to come by. They have a lot of old artwork. It's very local, but also a very historic kind of coffee shop. They have lots of great photos and stuff. So I was gonna mention something that we were talking about on the motorbike, about how you just have to sometimes throw everything out and go.
That's it.
Yeah.
I thought, oh, I had everything all organized. I was gonna sell this and that. I gave everything away. I helped many people. I did sell my car, and here I am.
Yeah,
you know, and I feel great.
Yeah. Sometimes people will pack and plan and do all these things thinking they're preparing, but really they're just procrastinating and putting it off. So if any of you guys are out there and you've been like procrastinating, sometimes you just gotta throw everything out the window and just go. This lady right here is gonna start a video blog. We're putting it out there. Yes, because we're talking about so many good things, and these are video topics. So yeah, she's gonna get her video blog started soon.
2 weeks.
Yeah, so
stay tuned.
Stay tuned. So a lot of you
on Hanoi Black Experience.
So a lot of you coming to Vietnam, especially Hanoi, might want a hairdresser. Here is one that was recommended to you.
I found her on Hanoi Black Experience.
Yeah, so if you guys want to join that Facebook group,
the kids let you get
like a local person with my clothing.
Kids let you sleep, rooms and this and that.
We're going to see her new place.
Oh yes, hello.
Ooh, nice. Oh, let me take off my shoes here. Oh, that's so nice. Oh. This is cool. You can put some plants out here too. Of course, I'm thinking about buying plants.
I'm gonna put the microwave up here.
Somebody already signed their contract. Getting all set up. I'm comfortable.
Charly, I got an apartment.
You got an apartment. I'm so excited for you.
Oh my God.
Now we're at, I'm so excited for her. She signed her contract. She's all well, she's not all moved in. She's all set for her move. But we're just gonna have a quick snack here at Noodle and Roll, which is one of my favorite restaurants to come to because they have a lot of options. So I also like the balcony for people watching, so perfect. Cheers to you guys.
I actually got my temple certificate the same way, you know? Yeah, yeah.
We went there, you know. Like Hanoi is so big. I think it only took you one
She's
part
so
of
funny.
Hanoi.
She was like, did we go over this bridge? Have we seen this lake?
Same though.
Because there are lots of lakes. Yeah, there are lots of lakes and lots of bridges.
Here.
And there's the traffic.
Oh my God, the people are crazy. Yeah.
Are you gonna teach her or you're just gonna
Yes.
relax?
Oh, well, I'm gonna relax for a minute. She has an old soul. She's very mature. In her
I'm an old
spirit.
lady.
No, you're very trendy and cute. But me, I'm like a little kid some days.
Okay.
You know, bouncing off the walls. And then I tuck her out and I go to bed between 7:30 and 8:30. Oh, I missed it.
We're at Big C to get some things for her apartment. It's so crowded right now. Lots of people. Along there is the home goods. No. Here you weigh your stuff.
Okay.
I'll try strawberry.
Yes. Do you want strawberry?
Yes.
Here.
Thank you. That was good. Decisions, decisions. So much wine to choose from. You guys, this is so funny. So I'm buying this detergent and the lady came up to me because I get this bucket for free. They have a lot of the buy something, get something for free, so I thought it was really funny. I have no idea what I'm gonna use this for. So I switched it out. I got a different detergent so I can get a cute basket. It comes with 3 and they're really cute. So yeah.
Stay focused.
Yes, stay focused. Healthy white skin. You really have to be careful of the things on the shelves for body wash and lotion because a lot of it has whitening ingredients in it, which is not healthy for your skin. Bye-bye. You're welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed the day with me coming along. I'm gonna do some laundry and work out. I got my jump rope ready, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.